morning, students. So yesterday we have seen exercise 11.3. You have solved the remaining examples, that's what I believe. Okay. Now, today we are going to study volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. What is volume? That is, volume is nothing but the amount of space occupied by an object is called as the volume. Now if I compare the volume of room and volume of almirah, definitely the volume of almirah is smaller than volume of the room. Or volume of your pencil and volume of the compass box. So volume of pencil is smaller than the volume of your compass box. Why? Because my pencil can be kept in the compass box, but I cannot keep the compass box in pencil, right? So that suggests that volume of pencil is smaller than the volume of compass box. Okay. Now we know that to measure area we use square units. Same way, to measure volume we use cubic units. Okay, so we divide that area, when we measure area, we divide that area in smaller unit square meters, and thus we are able to measure the area. Same way, volume also we can divide into smaller cubical units, and thus we can measure the volume. Now here I have got 8 cubes. Okay, now these are smaller cubes, say suppose of 1 centimeter. Now these are 8 cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here the volume of this object is 8. Okay, now I have got this another cube. Again there are 8 cubes only. Now they are placed in some different way, but there are 8 cubes and hence the volume again is 8 centimeter cube. Okay, or suppose I have got this another structure. Again there are 8 cubes, but I have arranged them in different ways. Okay, and so again volume of this is 8 centimeter cube. Okay, and this. Again 8 cubes are there. I have arranged them in different way, but the volume here is 8 centimeter cube only. What I mean to say, just count the number of cubical units, the volume you get is 8 centimeter cube here. Okay, so when you count the number of cubical units, you will get that volume. Okay, now the cubical units which are used, which we use actually, for example, 1 cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube. So that is equivalent to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. Law of indices. So it becomes cubic centimeters. Okay. Now 1 centimeter means 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter means 10 millimeters. And here 10 millimeters. So that is equivalent to how much? 10 times 100, 100 times 1000. So 1000 cubic millimeters. Okay. And we also use cubic meters. 1 meter cube. Now 1 meter cube means what? 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Now 1 meter means 100 centimeters. Right? So 100 centimeters into 100 centimeters into 100 centimeters. So कितना हो गया? 100 into 100, 10,000, 10,000 into 100. So 10 lakhs cubic centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 10 lakh centimeters cube. Okay, or 1 millimeter cube is equal to, we use this unit also. Means what? 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter. Now 1 millimeter is equal to how many centimeters? 0.1 centimeter into 0.1 centimeter into 0.1 centimeter. Now 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, but there are decimal points. So 1, 2, 3 digits after decimal point. So decimal point after in the product should be after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So 0.001 cubic centimeters. Okay, so these conversions you should know them. Now using this, let us now find expressions for volume of cuboid, cube and cylinder. Okay. Now see, on page number 187 there is a table given and you have to do the fill in the blanks. So I have not drawn the figures, okay, but I have written the lengths and I am going to use this. Okay. Now see here, length is 12, breadth is 3, height is 1. So length is 12, 4 plus 2 6, plus 2 8, plus 4 12. So length is 12. Okay. Then breadth is 3 and height is 1. Okay. So what will, if we multiply this, total how many cubes? See here, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. 36 cubes are there. That means 36 cubes are there. Okay. So I have got here 36 cubes. Do you understand? Now, so length is 12 here, breadth is 3 and height is 1. Okay. Height is 1. You can see here. So 12 into 3 into 1. So if I multiply the length, breadth and height, I get volume to be 36 cubical units. Okay. Now, I have done it like this also. 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 into 3, 36. Okay. So 12 threes are 36. Now, next is length is 6. So length I have to get 6. Okay. Now length is 6. Okay. Then breadth is 3. So breadth is 3. Okay. And height is 2. So what I can do, I can rearrange this like this. Breadth is 2. Sorry, not breadth, height is 2. So now you can see. So length is 6, okay, breadth is 3 and height is 2, okay. So again, total number of cubes is 36. Total number of cubes is 36. So here I can write it as length into breadth into height. So 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So again you get volume to be 36. Next is length is 9. Okay. So let us have length 9 now. So length is 9, breadth is 1. So I have got length 9, breadth 1, but height is 4. Okay. Now I have to arrange here. 3 plus 6 plus 3, 9. So height is 4. Now see. So length is 9, breadth is 1, height is 4. Total again 36 cubes. Okay. So here again my volume has to be 36. So let us check. 9 into 1 into 4. So 9 4s are 36. Same way if you try for this. 6 length, 6 breadth and height 1. So 6 into 6 into 1. So what it will be? 36. So from that we can get the expression for cuboid. What is that? Volume of cuboid is equivalent to length into breadth into height. Now this length into breadth is nothing but area of base. Can I say that? Yes, I can. Into height. I'll show you. Okay, area of the base. See here. Suppose I have got it like this. This is the length and this is the breadth. So this length into breadth, this is the area of the base. And we are just piling up the blocks. Okay, so that is the height. So area of the base into height. So that also can be called as the volume of cuboid, or simply length into breadth into height. Now cube is a special form of this. Special case of this where length, breadth and height are all equal. Okay, and hence we can say that volume of cube is equivalent to L into L into L, where length, breadth and height are all equal, and hence I get volume of cube as L cube or side cube, cube of side. Okay, now let us move to volume of cylinder. Now see, volume of cuboid, as I have said, it is area of the base into height. Now, can I say the same thing for volume of cylinder? Can I use the same thing, that is area of the base into height? Now how I can say that? See, in case of cuboid or in case of cube is special case of cuboid, right? Suppose this base and top, they are parallel to each other. Yes, exactly. Secondly, the base and the top, they are congruent. Definitely. And the lateral surface area is perpendicular to the base and the top in case of cuboid. Let us see for cylinder. In case of cylinder, the base and the top, are they parallel to each other? Yes. The base and the top, are they congruent? Yes, both are circular faces with same radius. So they are congruent. Secondly, the lateral surface area is perpendicular to the base and the top, and hence I can say that volume of cylinder is equivalent to area of the base into height. Okay, and now what is the base here? Circular. So what is the area of circle? Yes, pi r square. And what is the height? H. And so volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So we have got the expressions for all the three. Volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. Volume of cube, L cube. And volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Now let us try these on page number 188. Page number 188, figure 11.44. Find the volume of the following cuboids. So first one, you can do it. Second one, I am doing it. Okay. So you can see this is the area given, 24 meters square, area of the base, and height is given. Okay. So volume of cuboid here is equivalent to area of the base multiplied by height. Now here area of the base is given 24, height is 3. So 24 3 is 72 cubic meter. That is the volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid is 72 meter cube. Okay. Now let's move to the next try these on page number 189. See that try this, find the volume of the following cubes. So A1 you will do. I am going to solve B with a side 1.5 meter. Okay. So volume of cube, as you know, volume of cube is equivalent to L cube, right? That is 1.5 cube. Okay, means 1.5 into 1.5 into 1.5. Now 15 square is 225. I know that. Decimal point after 2 digits. So 1, 2. So 2.25 into 1.5. Now 15 5s are 75. 7 carry on. 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 7. 37. 3 carry on. 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 3. 33. Decimal point after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. You can check it again. 15 5 is 75. 7 carry on. 15 2 is 30 plus 7, 37. 3 carry on. 15 2 is 30. 30 plus 3, 33. So 3.375 cubic meters. Okay. So therefore volume of cube is 3.375 cubic meters. Okay. So first one solve as homework. Okay. Then next page 189, think, discuss and write. Now see, think, discuss and write on page number 189. A company sells biscuits. For packing purpose they are using cuboidal boxes. Box A 3 cm into 8 cm into 20 cm. Box B 4 cm into 12 cm into 10 cm. What size of the box will be economical for the company? Why? Can you suggest any other size, dimensions, which has the same volume but is more economical than these? Okay, so first we will find out which box is economical from these two, and then we will suggest. Okay, now here length is 20, breadth is 8, height is 3. So first we will find out volume. So volume of box A, that is equal to length into breadth into height, because they are cuboidal. So 20 into 8 into 3. So 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So 480 cubic centimeter. Now let us find out the surface area. So total surface area of box A. So what it is? Cuboidal. So 2 into L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Right? So 2. What is the length? 20 into 8. 8 into 3 plus 20 into 3. Okay. Now 2 into 28 are 160. 8 3s are 24 and 23s are 60. Okay. So 2 into 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 carry on. So 1 plus 1, 2. And 244 into 2. That is 488 centimeter square. That is the total surface area of box A. Now first we will find out volume of box B. That is length into breadth into height. So length is 12, breadth is 10, height is 4. Right? Now, 12 fours are 48. 48 tens are 480 centimeter cube. Okay, that is the volume. Now, total surface area of box A, B, of box B. Now, volume is same, you can see here. Okay, now, total surface area 2 into L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Right? Now, that is equal to 2. What is the length? Length is 12, breadth is 10 plus 10 into 4 plus 12 into 4. Now, 12 tens are 120, 10 fours are 40, plus 12 fours are 48. So 2 into 0 plus 0 plus 8, that is 8. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry on. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 208. Okay. 208. So that is equal to 8 2s are 16. 1 carry on. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 2s are 4. So whose surface area is lesser? Box B. And hence material required to prepare box B will be less, and hence box B will be more economical than box A. Okay, so here we can say as surface area of box B is smaller than box A, material required to make box B will be lesser. Hence, box B is more economical than box A. Okay, so first question is completed. Now the second part of it. Can you suggest any other size? So yes, we can suggest. So first I will rub this and then I can move to the next question. So yes, we can suggest other dimensions having same volume but more economical than both the boxes. So this is box C, suppose. Length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. So let us first find out the volume. Let us check whether it is same. So volume of box C. So length into breadth into height. Okay. So length is 12, breadth is 8, height is 5. So 12 5 are 60 and 8 6 are 48. So 480 cubic centimeter. So volume is same. Now let us check the total surface area. So total surface area of box C. So that is 2 into bracket L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Now, what is length? 12. Breadth is 8. Breadth is 8. Height is 5. Length is 12. Height is 5. Okay. Now, 12 8s are 96. 8 5s are 40. 12 5s are 60. Okay. Now, 6 plus 0 plus 0. Yani 6. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 6. 19. So, 196. So 2 into 196, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry on, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 1 carry on, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 392 centimeter square. Now here you can see as the total area is smaller than box A and box B, it is more economical. So here we can say, here as the total surface area is smaller than that of box A and box B, it is more economical. Okay? So after this thing discuss and write, try these on page number 189. Now see, find the volume of the following cylinders. Try these, page number 189. So second one I am doing. So there you can see area of the base is given 250 meters square and height is given, okay, 2 meters. So volume of cylinder here is equivalent to area of the base multiplied by height. Now area of the base is 250 multiplied by height is 2. So 250 into 2, 25 2s are 50. So 500 cubic meters. So volume of cylinder is 500 meter cube. Okay. So first one of this you will solve as homework. Now next part, volume and capacity. Now there is not a lot more difference between these two words. What is volume? That is nothing but the amount of the space occupied by that object. And what is capacity? That is amount of any material that container can hold is nothing but the capacity. For example, a tank can hold 100 meter cubes of water. So that is the capacity of that tank. Okay, so these are certain conversions that you should know. 1 milliliter is equivalent to 1 centimeter cube. 1 liter is 1000 cubic centimeters. And so 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 10 lakh cubic centimeters. Okay, and that is also equivalent to 1000 liters. It is expected that you should know these conversions because while solving the examples, we will definitely need them. So, dear students, we will stop here today, but before that, let me give you the homework on the board. Okay? So, try these on page 188. First figure is the homework. Try these on page 189. Sum A is the homework. And try this page 189. First figure is the homework. So, this is the homework for you. So I hope whatever I have dealt with you have understood. So let us stop here today and we'll meet in my next period. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.